There is a simple formula I am going to share with you that even children can grasp it. Essentially, everyone who desires to earn money can follow this method. The principle is clear. Individuals are compensated for the value they bring to the marketplace. The value provided can come from a product or service, but it also depends on the value one becomes as a person. In fact, what a person becomes often contributes far more to their success than the product or service they offer. Understanding this concept is pivotal. A mentor once advised that the key to success is to work harder on oneself than on one's job. Working hard on a job allows a person to earn a living, but working hard on self-improvement can lead to building a fortune. The journey starts with dedicating extra hours to acquiring new skills and knowledge, all aimed at self-improvement. The more value a person adds to themselves, the more valuable they become in the marketplace. It's not the economy or external factors that primarily determine income. Rather, it's one's personal philosophy and mindset. A mentor once shared powerful advice. If you change, everything will change for you. By making personal changes, your income, health, and future will improve. Sometimes a negative experience acts as a catalyst for this change, forcing a shift in one's philosophy and determination not to let the same situation repeat itself. One key habit for growth is keeping a journal. This habit allows reflection, organization of thoughts, and recording valuable ideas that can be turned into action. The process of change begins with adjusting past errors and adopting new disciplines for the future. This approach led to a significant transformation in the speaker's life, highlighting that anyone can make similar changes if desired. The possibility of changing one's life trajectory is available to all, regardless of age. Whether in the teenage years, midlife, or even later stages, drastic improvements are achievable by adopting new practices. This is not a fixed law, but an opportunity. Many people may remain stagnant year after year simply because they lack exposure to knowledge or never seek out the resources necessary for change. It's important to realize that individuals have the power to significantly change their lives in just a few years. The keys to success lie not in external forces like the economy, but in how one adjusts their own thinking and actions. Climbing the ladder of economic success requires personal growth. One must continuously work on self-improvement, developing skills, expanding vocabulary, and becoming more competent. Success comes not from hoping external circumstances will change, but from enhancing oneself. The marketplace rewards those who are valuable, and that value stems from a combination of skills and personal development. There are three primary ways to learn from others: observing what successful and unsuccessful people do, listening to valuable voices with experience, and reading the right books. Success leaves clues, and by paying attention and learning selectively, individuals can avoid pitfalls and adopt winning strategies. Books are a particularly powerful tool. While it's impossible to read every book, reading those that are essential to one's goals, whether financial, personal, or spiritual, can lead to profound growth. Success is not just a destination, but a process, and happiness is found in the journey, not just in the end result. The journey to success requires balancing active achievement with taking time to reflect on past accomplishments. During reflection, individuals should ask themselves what they could have achieved with more diligence, discipline, or smarter approaches. Self-assessment is key to identifying areas for improvement and planning for future success. By reviewing past achievements, comparing them to goals, and reflecting on what was left unaccomplished, individuals can chart a path for future growth. This process of continuous reflection and adjustment fuels ambition. Ambition is built step by step, and progress often goes unnoticed unless one takes the time to look back and appreciate how far they've come. To cultivate greater ambition, it's necessary to practice self-appreciation, reflect on achievements, and acknowledge the growth that has occurred, even if it's incremental. Self-appreciation fuels continued progress and provides the confidence to keep pursuing greater goals. In building self-appreciation, ask a few key questions. What has been achieved over the last several weeks, months, or years? What could have been achieved with more effort? What does one want to achieve in the future? Answering these questions helps create alignment between current efforts and future aspirations. It's easy to fall into the habit of neglecting small daily disciplines, but these are the building blocks of long-term success. By managing time effectively, staying disciplined, and focusing on important tasks, individuals can make significant strides toward their goals. Finally, self-appreciation involves recognizing one's progress without arrogance. It's about acknowledging room for improvement while also celebrating successes. Continued growth requires ongoing education, exposure to different perspectives, and learning from others. Success is built on a foundation of personal development, and that process is never complete. Learning from others is crucial. It's important to expose oneself to a variety of influences, books, speakers, ideologies, to gain new perspectives and insights. No one person or resource has all the answers, so a well-rounded approach is essential for managing life's complexities and opportunities. Variety in viewpoints enhances one's understanding of the world and helps refine personal philosophies. Learning and growth are continuous processes, and exposure to new ideas, challenges, and perspectives is what leads to a more enriched, successful life. If you like this content, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this channel to be notified for new content. As always, thanks for watching.